In this video, we will cover importing both empty boxes as well as bulky items and other pre-existing items and boxes into Storeganise. To begin, it's important to understand the difference between a box and a bulky item in Storeganise. We have help documentation that explains the differences between these, and I encourage you to read those for a more thorough explanation. To begin, let's import some empty boxes. I have prepared this import template in which I will import two types, one using the box type and one using the dock type. As you can see, these codes correspond with item types that I have already created in Storeganise, the container and the document box. I have applied an SID, a unique system ID, to each of these items. Please note that the system ID can be anything that you wish. Typically, it would correspond with a barcode or label printer that you are using as well. I can save this file as a CSV and then navigate to the Items tab in Storeganise. From here, I can click on the three dots, choose Import, and select the CSV I just created. Once the import is successful, I can see these new empty boxes that I've created. Now let's look at the items import. The items import is a little bit different because it allows us to import either an existing bulky item or a box into Storeganise. In this case, I've set up an example of each. A bulky item, which I will import as assigned to a specific user. Please note that I've already created an ID for this item. However, if I leave the SID column empty, the system will randomly generate. I've also created a box which I will import and apply as in storage and to the location that I've specified here. Finally, I'll import another document box that is unassigned, and I'll leave the SID column blank so the system will automatically generate something. I will save this as a CSV and use the same import function as previous. Once the import is successful, you can now see the items that I've imported. The bulky item that's marked as with customer, the container box, which is marked as in storage at the location that I specified, and then finally another empty document box with a randomly generated system ID. That's all for using the valet import features of empty boxes and items.